welcome back to Sunex. If you ever wondered what our part numbers mean, then you actually clicked on the right video. This is going to be a quick tutorial, but maybe super helpful the next time you talk to us. Here we have a lens, and let's write down a part number that you can actually order from our online store. DSL 182A-650-F2.2. So what does it all mean? The first three letters, DSL, stands for Digital Sensor Lens. And this is our standard part number. The 182, this one describes the optical stack. So you will find potentially different 182s online with maybe a B and a C letter, but they all have the same optical performance because they all are part of and have inside all the same optical stack. The next one, the letter, this is typically a single letter that's a revision, and that points to the mechanical revision. You might see a different thread, whether it's maybe M12 or M10. You might also see a revision where we have a smooth flange mount for a gluing application. Then in the middle, after the dashes, you see the filter configuration. 650 is addressing a 650 IR cutoff filter. If you see NIR, in that case it doesn't mean near infrared, it just means there's no IR filter. So it does go through the near infrared range. So there's no filter built in. And then the last part of the part number is the F number, which is quite self-explaining. So you will see those different combinations of DSL 182B-NIR-F2.2, or maybe we have also a revision that has a different F number. So in those four main areas or five areas, you can actually break down the part number. There's one more addition. We also have sometimes MDL and sometimes MOD. So what is this about? So the DSL, and the next one is the MDL, which is a module. This is a pre-aligned holder lens system. And we have another blog entry and also a small video tutorial about thread configurations between lens and holder, and why you might want to consider actually getting the lens and holder from the same manufacturer because of avoiding potential alignment issues. So if you see MDL, the rest can be exactly the same. It just means that this lens is pre-aligned and delivered together with, for instance, a board mount holder. And then the last part, which is MOD, describes a module where we actually pre-aligned and typically glued in the lens to a sensor. So this is a whole module or a sensor board where you have the sensor mounted as well, and the lens often with active alignment glued into the sensor board, and you get a full tested basic imaging module. So this is a mystery behind our part numbers. I hope that is helpful. See you next time. Thank you.